In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a document for e-signature in Pandadoc. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be able to take any file, add the right signers, place signature fields exactly where you need them, and send it out for a legally binding e-signature in just a few clicks. Let's start right from the Pandadoc dashboard. On the left-hand side, look for the option that says New Document. Go ahead and click that. This is your main starting point anytime you want to send something out for signing. Next, Pandadoc will ask you what you want to work with. Choose Select File, and then pick the file from your computer that you want to send. This could be a contract, an agreement, a proposal, or any other document that needs a signature. Give it a moment to upload, and once it's done, you'll see a preview of your document on the screen. Now you'll add the people who need to sign. Look for the section that lets you add recipients. Here, you'll enter the email addresses of your signers. Take your time with this step and double-check spelling, because this is exactly where Pandadoc is going to send the signing link. Once you've added everyone who needs to sign, click Continue to move forward. You'll now be in the document editor, where you can place fields on the page. On the right-hand side, you should see a panel with different field options. Find the Signature field and drag it onto the document. Drop it exactly where you want your signer to sign, usually near the bottom of the page above their printed name or title. If you have multiple signers, make sure each signature field is assigned to the correct recipient so everyone signs in the right place. When your fields are placed and everything looks good, click Review and Send. This is your chance to quickly scan through and make sure there are no missing fields and that all recipients are assigned correctly. Next, you'll be prompted to enter a document name. Choose something clear and descriptive so it's easy to find later in your Pandadoc account. Then click Continue again. You can now type the email message that will go out with your document. Keep it short and clear so recipients know what they're signing and why they're receiving it. Once you're happy with the message, click Send Document. Pandadoc will deliver the signing link to your recipients, and you're done.